Thought I'd come out here and give her a test run. Oh geez, almost had to go pick that one up. Don't want to walk all the way down there. I have plenty of room to run my cars when it's wet back there in the back 40. All right, I'm trying to catch in the get a run in before it starts raining again. Welcome everyone. Out here at my Skeeter. Excuse the wind noise. Quick run with the Skeeter. She's been fixed. Thought I'd come out here and give her a test run. Oh geez, almost had to go pick that one up. Don't want to walk all the way down there. Yeah, as long as it's not wet, she's good. Yeah, it's been raining last couple of days, last 2 days. It's dry enough to run RCs on the side yard, but it's not dry enough to cut the grass right now. But hey, just having fun. This is a quick little thing, ain't it? Still haven't adjusted the brake yet. No ramp today. Oh, there's some water. Thought I'd come out here and just run it for a little bit. probably won't get a full speed out here because the grass is too tall. Like the rest of them, just on that gravel, it's gravel. It gets kind of squirrely out there. You know, tires do not balloon as much. So if you plan on doing stunts with her, yeah, you can. It's going to be a little rough. You won't have the real speed you need if you're going to do backflips with her. So she's still running stock. I haven't changed anything out yet. She's running the 8400 milliamp Huvu battery. So I have plenty of room to run my cars when it's wet back there in the back 40. So if you're looking for a 4S, it's not a bad 4S to get into. You run it on 2S and 3S. For the price point, it's pretty decently priced. I ain't gonna say it's cheap, I'm not gonna say it's expensive. It's decently priced, or reasonably priced, I should say. So yeah, so I'm enjoying it. See how she gets squirrely in the dirt, gravel over there. Kind of put the I want to say it's a Creighton 6S steering rod on her. I said again, this is based off an 8 scale platform, off the Radix itself, but it's a 10 scale 4S. So some parts are compatible from ARRMA. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Handles pretty decently. But you know, the grass out there, she's gonna take some wide turns. Just a steering rate real quick, steering trim. Might have adjusted too much. It's too sensitive now. But she can kick up some grass, won't she? Alright, get out here and get this real quick. Alright, I'm back. She's back up. Yeah, she's a little quick there. We didn't want to change anything on it, but I might put a 15-tooth pinion gear. I'll start with a 14 first and then see how it reacts with a 14. Again, sorry about the noise. So my thoughts so far on the Skeeter, Team Corally. I like the little truck. It's comparable to what I consider a decently priced 4S speed truck. Again, certain things on it, you know, it is what it is, but it's a 4S, so don't expect, you know, a lot of speed like you get with a 6S. But other than that, she's pretty decent. She's pretty good. So on that note, everyone, I'm going to call it quits for now. Oh man, top of the body. I was gonna scratch it. Oh no, the beautiful body is scratched. Yeah, she's good though. She's good. All right, more coming up with the Skeeter later on. But for now, subscribe, hit the like button, leave comments, hit the notification bell if you want to see more. And on that note, we're going to call it a day with this one here. Take it inside and clean her up. Team Corally Skeeter 4S, everyone. Again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we're out of here. I'm out.